doing today? Today we're going through a very short video of Leetcode in Python. So count elements given an integer array. Count how many elements x they are, such as x plus 1 is also in the array. If there's duplicates in an array, count them separately. So if the input is 1, 2, 3, the output should be 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is in the array, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 is in the array, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 is not in the array. So 1 and 2 are counted, so the output should be 2. And yeah, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, and all those even numbers are not in the array, so the output should be 0, and so on and so forth. So if you are doing Python, you should know something called list comprehension, and basically it will just be a one-liner. So let's use list comprehension. X for x in array if x plus 1 in array. Yeah, this is basically what it does, and then we have to know the length of the list. So how many elements they are in the list. Let's run the code. Okay, it works. It's really